welcome back to mathematics class. Next exercise 15C, question number 2. So subdivision E and F choose one. The first one diagram. So the given figure area find பண்ண the given figure is the first part and second one is the third one. So three parts are different பிரிச்சிக்கிறோம். So first part என்ன பாருங்க, opposite sides 12 meter each and a height 6 meter கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So it is a parallelogram, opposite sides are 12 meter, here 6 meter is the height. So the base கொடுத்திருக்காங்க and height கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So இது வந்து parallelogram area. So the shape ஓட area find பண்ணலாம். So one of the side is 16 meter, another one is 12 meter. So these two sides are parallel to each other and the height is 6 meter. So this is a trapezium. Trapezium உடைய two parallel sides and the height கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So formula use பண்ணி so the second segment உடைய area find பண்ணலாம். Third one is parallelogram. So 12 meter each and 6 meter is a height. So the first ரெண்டுமே சேமா இருக்கும். one time find பண்ணி கூட 2 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா 2 times கிடைச்சிடும். So 12 meter base और height 6 meter இருக்கு. So parallelogram 2 times 1 and 3 same shape இல்லையா? So 1 and 3 same shape. அப்ப 2 time நம்ம பண்ணும்போது 2 parallelogram நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சிரும். So first area of the figure, area of the given figure is equal to area of the given figure is equal to area of the parallelogram, two parallelogram 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 உடைய area find பண்றேன் plus area of the trapezium, area of the trapezium. Here two parallelograms are equal, so equal measurement. So parallelogram எப்படி இருக்கு, equal ஆ இருக்கு. So area of the parallelogram find பண்றேன். So area of the parallelogram. So area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height square unit. So base into height square unit. So base of the parallelogram 12 meter into height of the parallelogram is 6 meter. So 12 into 6 multiply பண்ற. So 6 12s are 12, remaining 1, 6 1 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 7. So 12 6 are 72. So 72 meter square. So area of the parallelogram. So the one parallelogram area 72 meter square. Here two parallelograms are equal measurement. So area of the parallelogram 1 and 2. Area of the parallelogram 1 and 2 is equal to, so 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 is parallelogram. So 1 and 3 is equal to, so two measurements are same. So the area of same da irukum. 72 plus 72 is equal to 144 meter square. So area of the 1 and 2 parallelograms is 144 meter square. And the area of the trapezium find பண்றேன். Area of the trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into height into a plus b. So a plus b into height. So a plus b into height square units. A plus b into height square units. So 1 by 2 into a plus b. So parallel sides of the trapeziums are 16 and 12. So 16 plus 12 into height of the parallel trapezium is 6. So into 6. So 1 by 2 into 16 plus 12. So 28 into 6. So cancel பண்ணா 1 2 is 2, 14 2s are 28. So 14 into 6 multiply பண்றேன். 6 4s are 24, remaining 2, 6 1 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 84 meter square. So area of the trapezium 84 meter square. So overall area வேணும் அப்படினா என்ன பண்ணலாம்? So area of trapezium and area of two parallelogram add பண்றேன். Area of the given figure, area of the given figure is equal to, so area of the two trapezium is 144 plus area of the trapezium 84. So 144 plus 84 is equal to 8, 4 plus 8 is 12, 228. So the answer is 228 meter square. This is area of the total area. And second one, question F. All 6 triangles are in the figure are concurrent. Find the area of the whole figure. So the triangles are, so it's a triangle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Totally we have 6 triangles. So all 6 triangles in the figure are concurrent. So concurrent means the measurements are same. So all the measurements are same. So the side measurement is same. Same shape and the same size. So shape is same, size is same. Concurrent to each other. So concurrent to each other, size is same. So the equilateral triangle 4 cm, all sides are 4. In the concurrent triangle, over side 4 cm. All sides are 4 cm, 4 cm. So all the side of this part, all the sides are 4 cm. So all 4 cm measurement. It has 4 cm in the mark. So the area, total area for the whole figure area. So first, the outer triangle. So the axis of the outer 6 triangle. 6 triangle area of inner region. So inner or hexagon. So hexagon is 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides hexagon. There are opposite vertices joined. So the opposite vertices joined 6 equal triangles. Already hexagon opposite vertices joined 6 equilateral triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equilateral triangle. So outer lower 6 equilateral triangle, inner lower 6 equilateral triangle. Total 12 equilateral triangles. So 12 equilateral triangles area the total of the figure area. So area of the given figure, area of the given figure. Area of the given figure is equal to area of 6 equilateral triangle. Area of 6 triangles plus area of a hexagon. So hexagon area is 6 equilateral triangle area add. So first now find about the 6 equilateral triangle area. So area of 6 equilateral triangle. Area of 6 equilateral triangle. Area of 6 equilateral triangle is equal to, so equilateral triangle formula, so root 3 by 4 into a square. This is a formula to find area of equilateral triangle. So total number of equilateral triangle are here 6. So all the equilateral triangles are same measurement. 6 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிறேன். So one equilateral triangle area irukku, adhe 6 equilateral triangle irukku, because of all the equilateral triangle has same size. Because of the question they said the triangles are concurrent. So concurrent means which are the triangles are same shape and also the same size. So we can conclude the area of 6 equilateral triangle is 6 into root 3 by 4 into a square units. Root 3 by 4 into a square is the area of the equilateral triangle. 6 equal triangle is that. So 6 ஆல multiply பண்ணிரோம். Now 6 into the value of root 3 1.73 is a constant value is divided by 4 into a square. A square which means side square. Side of the triangle is 4, so 4 into 4. So 4 a square means 4 square. So we can write 4 into 4. Here 1 4 and here also 1 4 cancelled. So we can multiply 6 into 1.732 now. So 1.732 into 6. 6 2s are 12, remaining 1. 6 3s are 18 plus 1 is 19. Remaining 1. 6 7s are 42 plus 1 43. Remaining 4. 6 1 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. So 3 decimal place கொடுத்தோம்னா 10.392 into one more 4 is there, so 4 ல multiply பண்றேன் into 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 9s are 36, remaining 3, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, remaining 1. So again 1 வந்துரும், 4 1 is 4. So 3 decimal place கொடுனா 41.568 centimeter square is the area of 6 equal triangle. And the area of hexagon find பண்றோம். area of the hexagon. So the hexagon உடைய area, இன்னர்ல ஒரு hexagon இருக்கு, அந்த hexagon உடைய area find பண்றேன். So this hexagon உடைய opposite vertices join பண்ணும்போது we get a 6 equilateral triangle. So area of hexagon is equal to area of 6 equilateral triangle. So 6 into √3/4 into a square. So same answer தான் வரும் இல்லையா? So area of 6 equal triangle கான formula 6 into √3/4 into a square. Because of hexagon இருக்கிறது opposite vertices join பண்ணும்போது 6 equal triangle கிடைக்குது. So the equal triangle உடைய sides பாருங்க 6 into √3/4 into a square ங்கிறது என்ன 4 square. So 4 square. So because so ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம் அதே தான் ரைட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். அப்ப நம்ம ஆன்சர் என்ன ஒரு டேட்டா கொடுக்கலாமா? So ஆல்ரெடி சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ண ஆன்சர் அதே தான் இருக்கு. அது சேம் ஆன்சர் தான் வரும் 41.568 cm ஸ்கொயர் தான் இதுவும் வரும். So நம்ம என்ன பண்றது அவுட்டர்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய 6 ஈக்குவலன்ட் ட்ரையாங்கிள் ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணிட்டோம். இன்னர் ரீஜன்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய ஹெக்ஸாகனோட ஏரியாவும் ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணிட்டோம். So total area அப்படிங்கறது ஆட் பண்ணிக்கலாமா? So total area is equal to so 41.568 plus 41.568. So add பண்றேன். So 41.568 add பண்றேன். 8 plus 8 16 remaining 1. 6 plus 6 12 12 plus 1 13 remaining 1. 10 plus 1 11 3 8. So 83.136. So total area of the given figure is 83.136 centimeter square. Thank you.